welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking time every day to stop back on my channel. All right, today is the very first day I can honestly say I feel better. Like, better. I haven't eaten anything all day. I have had stuff to drink. I had electrolytes and things like that. But I have been so sick for like the last 3 weeks. So that is why I had the lack of videos and the lack of like even in the community tab, because I have not been doing anything at all. Nothing. I've been lucky to be able to leave my house maybe once a week if I can, and that's only to do a grocery pickup at Walmart. And that is it. That's all I've been doing. I have not been really shopping. I have not been going through the stores looking around. It's been very difficult. I feel like no doctors are giving me any answers. In fact, they don't take me serious. I go in there and I'm complaining about one thing and they tell me, oh, you have strep, and they give me antibiotics. And then the antibiotics is what's really messing me up. It's just completely torn my stomach apart, like really bad. Now you're talking, I've been on keto now for over 2 years, going on 3 years, and I did stop keto for a while. I was doing lots of carbs and bread and pasta and some rice, but I have kept my sugar down. I don't do anything with sugar in it. Even if I get fruit cups or anything, it's sugar free. I've been getting cantaloupe. I've been getting strawberries. Well, strawberries are allowed on keto, but I've been getting apples. I just been eating a little more healthier than like the strict keto way of doing things. I have nothing against keto. In fact, I will be going back keto as soon as Stefano and I are back together. I do a lot of keto on my own, but it's always better to do it with somebody else. You know, like it keeps me motivated, making his lunches, deciding what we're going to have, and things like that is what keeps me motivated doing keto. I'm sorry I look like a wreck. I'm actually cleaning. I've been cleaning well, I took Mr. Tiggs to get fixed. He's getting neutered today. All my boys are now neutered. All 4 boys are neutered. So I am very thankful for that, because I could not take it. It was terrible. I got my new shirt on. Isn't this shirt pretty? Look at my mess back here. Isn't this shirt pretty? It's so pretty. It's an extra large. I got a 1X in a different one. It says but first coffee, and it's a beautiful shirt. I love it, but it's so big. It's like really too like big. And I got this new necklace from TJ Maxx. It's a little cross, and it's got these little crystals on either side. It's so pretty. I love it. So I've lost 8 pounds just because I've been sick. I was getting really, really scared. In fact, I'm sure I'm not better at all. I'm sure it's just like either the probiotics I'm taking, or, you know, just like I'm hardly eating anything. I'm eating real food. I had a steak the other day and a salad. That didn't stay too long. And then I had, last night I had a salad and chicken noodle soup. That didn't stay too long. I was actually nervous because I had to take Mr. Tiggs at 7. He had to be there by 7:30. So I was like, please, please, please. So I didn't eat anything or drink anything before I left. But then I came home and I haven't had coffee in almost 3 weeks. And I was dying for coffee. So I took the chance and I had coffee, and it's so far so good. Knock on wood. So far so good. But yeah, I lost 8 pounds, which I'm not complaining. I have like this weird thing going on here. My face is a lot thinner. My pants are like actually loose. My shirts are fitting better. Like the extra larges are actually a little bit big too, but I think I might distress this shirt a little, because I don't like this collar. This collar is killing me. I just don't like it. So what is new, guys? Let me tell you, nothing really. Stefano's having a difficult time finding us a place. It's really hard. He works 7 days a week. He got hurt at work last week. He cut his finger, had to go to the hospital on Sunday, not this Sunday, but the last Sunday. So he he's okay though. He got 6 stitches, so but he's all right. It was just a weird freak thing that happened. So yeah, okay, let me update you on Lux. Beautiful Lux. Oh my boy. He keeps getting hit with health issues. It's not funny. None of this we knew until we took him to get neutered. He has a 3rd grade heart murmur. 3 grade, I don't know what that means. I'm going to look it up. So he has a 3rd grade heart murmur, and he has a head tilt, which is a neurological disorder. So his head tilts to the right, and I don't know why that is. So he definitely has to go to the vet and get checked up. Now, the cardiologist for a cat, and if you don't have insurance, I don't have insurance for my cat, $1,500 just to be looked at. I don't know what to do. I've been praying about it, thinking about it, praying that he's okay. You know, he's one of ours. Mama Kay had him indoors. He's an indoor cat. He was the only one to survive of the whole entire litter. And so, you know, like, he was the strongest. And he is actually Tank's brother. They probably have different dads, but they have the same mom. So, you know, I don't know. It's very difficult. And Tank is the only one of Mama Kay's litter. Also, his sister Minnie, she passed away. So, you know, like, it's such a struggle. I guess because these were all outside cats and they didn't eat well and they were never really taken care of, that their health issues were really bad, and they passed it on to all their litters. And, you know, they don't have the money in the budget to do the catch and release, where they capture the cats and then they fix them and then they release them back. They don't have it in the budget for that. So, which is very sad, because, you know, now I've taken 4 cats to get neutered, and it's expensive. It really is expensive. And I do use a program that helps me with that, but still, even with the program, it's very expensive. You know, they all had their shots. They all have their rabies shots. Even though they're inside cats, they do still get rabies shots, because we have weird situations that happen here. I had a skunk that got into my yard and tried to attack my dogs, and that darn thing, I swear, had rabies, because why would a skunk break into a yard, into a fenced yard, and go after dogs? I've never seen that happen in my life. So, what happened was the skunk got away. I have a picture of the skunk. The skunk got away, and he actually went to the neighbor's house at around 2 o'clock in the morning. They let their dogs out, and it attacked their dog, but their dog was a much bigger dog and attacked it back and killed it. So, yeah. So, you know, that was scary. We live in the woods. We have coyote here. We have fox here, skunks, raccoons, deer, turkeys, you name it, we have it here. Stefano found a snake. It was in my yard. I mean, in my front. Oh, that grossed me out. So hi, Halle Berry. This is Halle. Call her Halle Berries. She's my girl. She's such a good girl. Her sister's name is Callie. That's why she's Halle. And Callie is a calico. So yeah, that's about like all my news that I have, which is not much. I do have a bag over here for Dollar Tree haul, which you'll see on Wednesday. I probably will put this up on Tuesday. It's just, I've been super, super, super sick, and my house has gone to poo-poo, and so now I am doing everything I can to get it back together, because it fell apart. It really fell apart. And Stefano will be here November 2nd. He's coming here because we're going to vote. The voting absentee here in Maine was so difficult, and they made it such a process that he just said, forget it, I'll just come up and I'll vote in person, which is good because I get to see him for 3 days. So 3 days is better than no days. And we have stuff to do to winterize the house and stuff. So we will be busy doing that because this morning we had rain and snow. It was fun. So it was our first snow. Nothing landed. Thank goodness it didn't stick. And what else is new? Really not much. I just got to get my ish together, get this house together, get this house organized. I'm over Halloween. I didn't even decorate for Halloween. I just did my air balloons outside. I got orange and green lights and never put them up. So I just like, you know, it's like one of those things. I will be putting my turkey out. The orange lights I can use for Thanksgiving, thank goodness. So I'll use them for Thanksgiving. I have my little turkey air balloon. That will go outside probably on the 1st of November. And then I'll put my orange lights out for Thanksgiving. And that's it. So guys, I don't think I really have that much to say. I do apologize to everybody. I am so sorry that I have not been on, not even to do an update. I just have been that sick. And it's like, it's an excuse I keep having because I keep getting sick. So once I got that strep, it wasn't like strep throat, they told me. It was the strep bacteria. And I had it inside my body somewhere. It wasn't like I needed my tonsils out, or you know how kids get strep throat. It wasn't that kind of strep, he said. He said it was a bacteria that I got. And then they gave me penicillin, and then they gave me amoxicillin. And then once I took that amoxicillin, I was done for. That like just tore up my stomach so bad. So I do have to go to the doctor just to see, because nothing is helping me. Like my Imodium is not helping me. Pepto doesn't help me. I have these nausea pills that I got from the doctor. They're not helping. The vomiting and stuff, excuse me for telling you this, but the vomiting and stuff is just continuing, and I can't keep anything down. I just cannot. So I eat small quantities and I eat very slow, and then I just pray that it stays. So, you know, I've been taking vitamins at nighttime, and seeing, hopefully that will help me. I love her, but she's very annoying. Like, this is annoying. Like, and she's purr. She's so purry. All right, guys, I will let you go. Hopefully next time I see you, I have a new palette, the honey palette. I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, if I ever get makeup and stuff on, I will definitely come on and show you guys. Yeah, that's about it. I hope that you guys are all doing well, and thank you for the well wishes. Thank you guys for emailing me and seeing if I'm okay, and checking up on me on the Pam's Life page, Facebook page. Please go over there. Usually what I do is I'll put something on Instagram and it automatically goes over there, so you guys are all caught up on what's going on in my life if I do anything that day. But if not, you know, thank you guys for always being there for me. And thank you guys for sticking with me. I do appreciate it. It's just so hard right now. I know everybody is going through a whole bunch of mental stuff too. Like the depression is really bad. People are really having a hard time, and my prayers are out there for you guys. It is such a difficult year. I cannot wait to get 2020 over with and this election over with, and it's just a terrible year. So, you know, I just keep my thoughts in a positive area. I keep trying to look for something good that day. She's so goofy. She's so goofy. And how can you not smile with this? Look, that's such a sweet thing. Sweetie. But yeah, it's just stay positive. Stay focused on what you need to stay focused on, and just work through it. Work really hard through it, because we're all going to get through this thing. We really will. It's going to be some work, but we will all bounce back. I know we will. And, you know, so I'm keeping everyone in my prayers and in my thoughts. All right, guys, like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.